Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a story that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie. Imagine this: a mysterious visitor from another star system is speeding through our cosmic neighborhood, and as it passes by, astronomers detect a signal, a faint rhythmic pulse that seems to be coming directly from it. This isn't a distant galaxy. This is happening right here in our own solar system. The visitor is Comet 3IATLAS, and it has scientists scratching their heads. So, what exactly is going on? For decades, we've been listening to the cosmos, hoping to hear something, anything that isn't just random static. We've pointed our giant radio telescopes at distant stars, searching for signs of intelligent life. But what if the first intriguing hint didn't come from light years away, but from an icy rock that's just passing through? That's the baffling situation with Comet 3IATLAS. Let's break down what we know. Comet 3IATLAS is an interstellar object, meaning it doesn't originate from our solar system. It's on a hyperbolic trajectory, which is a fancy way of saying it's moving so fast that our sun's gravity couldn't uncapture it. It's on a one-way trip through our system and will eventually head back out into the vast emptiness of interstellar space. These visitors are incredibly rare and offer a unique chance to study material from another corner of the galaxy. But this comet brought something unexpected. A team of researchers monitoring its path detected a strange, faint radio pulse. Now, space is noisy. There are all sorts of natural radio signals bouncing around, but this one was different. It showed a Doppler shift that perfectly matched the comet's incredible speed and trajectory. Think of how a siren changes pitch as an ambulance passes you. That's the Doppler effect. The signal from 3IATLAS was doing the exact same thing, which strongly suggests the signal was coming from the comet, or at least from its immediate vicinity. The discovery was mind-boggling. The signal was weak, almost lost in the background noise of the universe. But when the astronomers analyzed it, they found a pattern. It wasn't just random static. It was a regular, repeating sequence of radio waves. It was too orderly to be easily dismissed as pure chance. This is where the story gets really exciting. Some analysts, speaking very cautiously, have floated the idea that this could be a form of communication, or perhaps a response to the radar signals we ourselves use to track objects in space. Could this comet be some kind of alien probe pinging us back? It's an electrifying thought, but science demands we stay grounded. The researchers themselves are the first to point out the more mundane possibilities. The most likely explanation, they say, is probably natural. For example, it's possible that charged particles from the solar wind are interacting with the gases and dust in the comet's fuzzy atmosphere in a very specific and unusual way, creating a rhythmic radio emission. This would be a new, undiscovered natural phenomenon, which is a huge deal in its own right. Another possibility is that it's simply an error. The instruments we use to listen to the universe are incredibly sensitive. It's possible that the signal is a form of terrestrial interference that just happened to mimic a signal from the comet's location. Or it could be a subtle error in the detection equipment itself, creating a ghost in the data. Before we can jump to any conclusions about alien technology, every single one of these possibilities has to be meticulously ruled out. The challenge is that the signal is incredibly faint. It's like trying to hear a whisper in the middle of a rock concert. Confirming its origin and nature requires more data, more observations from different telescopes around the world. Scientists are now in a race against time. Comet 3IATLAS is on its way out of our solar system. Every day it gets farther away, and its signal, if it's real, will become fainter and fainter until it disappears completely. We have a very limited window to study this phenomenon before the opportunity is lost forever, possibly for centuries. So, where does that leave us? We are standing on the brink of a potentially massive discovery, but we have to be patient. We have a tantalizing piece of a puzzle. It could be the first sign that we are not alone, a signal from an ancient probe sent to explore the galaxy. Or it could be a brand new type of natural cosmic radio source, expanding our understanding of how comets work. Or it might just be a glitch in our own technology. Whatever the answer turns out to be, the story of Comet 3IATLAS is a perfect example of what makes science so thrilling. It's about the unknown, the pursuit of knowledge, and the possibility that just around the next corner lies a discovery that could change everything we thought we knew about the universe. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it develops, and we'll be sure to bring you any updates as soon as they're released. What do you think is causing these mysterious signals? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysteries of space, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, stay curious.